Cap 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got the penguin here. And we're gonna paint him up. I'm gonna make his feet red. I hope you enjoy my videos. I really put a lot of effort into these. You may not think so, but I do. And the way I get supplies is you guys watching. And you know, when you watch, it's free to watch. There's no charge for watching my videos. You know, you got to watch maybe a couple. You know, skip through a couple ads. You know, maybe something you like in the ad. Who knows? You know. But the ads pay me for doing the video. Kind of like the soap commercials. Hope you can see this. I know my hand seems to get in the way when I paint. I've noticed that. I'm trying to do my best not to do that. I don't think I'm going to do the back. But let's open this up. This is a container to wash brushes. So we're done with the red. And it's a wicked color, red. And we're going to go for the black now. And to do the black. This is a gloss black. It's not a flat black. I did mix the paint before I apply, put it in the container. Put it over here so you can see it. I got another print going in the background, as you can hear that going. That should be an interesting one. Pretty big size print too. 225 millimeters. I don't know what that is, and I can't convert it off the top of my head, but pretty big. Do the edge. I love using acrylic. It's non-toxic, and you don't want to drink it though anyway, but it's good to work with acrylic paint. You can get all kinds of acrylic paints. There's Tamiya, there's Model Air Pro, there's Bones that I use, there's what else do I use? I gotta look over there. Model Air Pro, Bones, Wicked Colors, which I'm using now. And I do use Apple paints too. I use those. I have other ones down there in the rack that I use. About 4 or 5 different types, I would say, that I use. I'm not going to paint the back. The back is the back, and I'm not going to do that. Leave the back as such. Okay, we're gonna go to a smaller brush and When I'm quiet, I'm concentrating on the brush. It's not that I don't want to talk to you guys. If you guys are having a wonderful day. Where I live, it's still winter. So I'm inside a lot. I'm inside anyway. I really don't go out that much. Okay, I goofed up in here a little bit, but we're gonna fix that. So what we do is we put these off to the side and we let them dry, and then we peel them out. We're gonna take some shit white, just put it on the board, just a dab of it. Take another brush, and we're just gonna go in over that black. There he is. There's my penguin. I gotta do up here a little bit. Right there. There's my penguin. Can you see him? There you go. And put that in there, and what we do is, since we put that on there, we don't let it dry. We just wipe it off as much as we can and let it dry. So I hope you like watching my videos. Probably said that already, but he's gonna dry, and he's gonna be my little eyeglass rack for my eyeglasses. Yeah, I hope you have a good day and you're enjoying it. And don't fight with anybody. You know, be kind to each other. All right. Bye for now.